can hear something. That's skylark.
Yeah. They just sing continuously, so they don't need to stop to take a breath.
I did not know that.
Yeah, that's what passerines have. So
Because I always wonder, because like the skylarks in particular, like
Yeah.
or like you know, like wrens, just go
Yes,
and go and
go
go
and
and
go
go
and
and go and go.
yeah.
Oh wow.
And you're always waiting for them to stop, but they just never stop. Yeah.
So other things I'm getting in there, right, as well as the skylark, there's definitely a raveny noise in the background.
Yeah, so you can hear that quite deep clonking. Compared to any of the other crows, it's much deeper, much more of a honky noise, rather than a sort of scratchy, screechy noise, which is what a lot of the other crow birds do.
Yeah, it's like it's definitely letting you know it's there, and it feels pretty comfortable being the boss, right?
Yeah.
You know, it's an assertive kind of a noise. Yeah,
and that sound will travel because it's a low sound, so that will travel in terms of being territorial. Yeah, I think so. You know, and it just shows you.
You know, when people describe it in the books, they talk about bubbling, but you can really hear that, right? The kind of rolling, kind of bubbling.
Yeah, definitely. And then curlew are one of those birds that've got a, you know, their name is named after part of their call, so that when you get that more mournful curlew, that's named after the call.
Yeah, like whoop.
Yeah.
Yeah.